Welcome back to Car Show 1, your favorite destination for everything on wheels, from the latest car launches to classic builds and epic road machines. If it's got an engine and turns heads, you'll find it right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on the coolest rides around. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a machine that blends the rugged utility of a commercial truck with the comfort and luxury of a motorhome. We're talking about the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion built on the bones of a legendary American semi-truck. Now, the Kenworth T2000 is already well known in the trucking world. Originally designed for long-haul drivers who needed durability, aerodynamics, and fuel efficiency, the T2000 was a pioneer in terms of comfort and innovation. But in 2025, someone took it to the next level and transformed it into a luxury motorhome that redefines road travel. This is more than just an RV. It's a statement. From the outside, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome retains the commanding presence of a big rig. It's long, tall, and wide, with an aerodynamic front that slices through the wind. The massive chrome grille, LED headlamps, and bold fenders give it a powerful look, while custom paint and polished wheels turn it into a showstopper. But it's what's inside that really makes your jaw drop. Climb into the cab and you're immediately welcomed by a fully redesigned interior. The driver's cockpit features digital instrumentation, touchscreen controls, adaptive cruise control, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, heated and cooled, with built-in massage features. For the co-pilot, there's an entertainment system, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a mini workstation. This setup is perfect not just for driving across the country but for living comfortably while doing it. As you move toward the living quarters, the T2000 Motorhome opens up like a luxury apartment. Slide-outs expand the living space to reveal a lounge with a full-sized sofa, a 65-inch smart TV, surround sound speakers, and custom lighting. There's hardwood flooring, real wood cabinets, and granite countertops throughout. The attention to detail is astonishing. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, dishwasher, and even a wine cooler. Everything is designed to let you prepare meals just like you would at home. There's also a dining area with a custom-built table and chairs, perfect for meals, games, or working on the road. When it comes to sleeping, the T2000 Motorhome offers a king-size bed in the rear master suite, with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and blackout shades. There's even a walk-in closet and plenty of storage cabinets for extended travel. You'll also find a stacked washer and dryer tucked neatly into one of the compartments, making long journeys incredibly convenient. The bathroom setup is no less luxurious. There's a spacious walk-in shower with glass doors and rainfall showerhead, a high-end vanity with LED-lit mirror, and a porcelain toilet with electronic flush. It's like something you'd expect in a boutique hotel, not in a vehicle that used to haul cargo across the interstate. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a modernized PACCAR MX-13 engine, producing around 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This beast can pull heavy loads and climb steep grades without breaking a sweat. It's paired with an automatic transmission for smooth shifting and easy handling. The suspension system has also been upgraded to provide a softer, quieter ride than you'd expect from a truck of this size. On the tech side, the 2025 T2000 Motorhome comes with solar panels on the roof, lithium battery storage, and a smart energy management system that controls lighting, climate, and appliances. There's also an onboard generator and a massive freshwater tank, which means you can go off-grid for days without sacrificing comfort. Security is top-notch as well. You've got cameras all around the vehicle, a GPS tracker, motion sensors, and remote locking systems. Whether you're parked at a campsite or a truck stop, you'll feel safe and secure inside. What really sets the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome apart is that it combines the raw power and durability of a truck designed for the harshest conditions with the luxury and innovation of a high-end motorhome. It's built for people who want to travel in style, take the road less traveled, and do it all without giving up the comforts of home. So if you're dreaming of a life on the road, but not just any road trip, one where you wake up in the mountains, work with a view of the ocean, and fall asleep under desert stars, this might just be the vehicle for you. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just transport. It's freedom on 18 wheels. Thanks for watching Car Show 1. If you love amazing vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. See you next time, right here, where every ride tells a story.